Hello everyone, this is Anil Kumar. Uh, we'll discuss upon some Catia interview question, which will be helpful for our interview purpose or quick glance purpose. Sometimes, if you already knows also, by going through this, you may learn something. So let's start with the first question. So expand Catia Wi-Fi, computer-aided three-dimensional interactive application, which is the full form of Catia. What will be the extension when we save any sketcher or part design file? The answer will be cat part. It will be saved as a cat part. And does Catia V5 works on means how a Catia works on some platform, right? The answer is Unix platform. Is it possible to hide the specification tree? Yes, we can hide this specification tree with the help of F3 button or in um, in view command. You can off the specification option. What is the meaning of true dimension? True dimension is a dimension desired after machining. Means after making machining, whatever dimension we obtain, that will be our true dimension. What do you mean by ISO constraint? ISO constraint means the sketch will will be arrested in all degrees of freedom, so it won't move anywhere. Here we have ISO constraint, under constraint, and over constraint. These are the three different things will be available. So how to identify in next uh, question we are having. Mention the color code for ISO constraint, under and over constraint elements. So color codes for these elements are: green means ISO constraint, white means under constraint, magenta color means over constraint. What is NURBS? NURBS are the types of curves. Generally, when we extract from some solids, will these NURBS will be created. These NURBS are not parametric. What is the use of sketch analysis? By this sketch analysis, you can know whether it is closed or opened, and what are the geometry, and you can know here whether it is um, constrained or not. Uh, any construction geometries available in this one. What is power copy? Power copy uh, will be very nicely useful when you want to make a repetitive thing only by changing some one like two to three input parameters. If you want to change a feature, then it will be very helpful by making use of the power copy. Like if you want to make a slot or a different cutout at 50 locations only by changing some plane and line. In that circumstances, we can make use of this one, and by using this, you can save a good amount of time. What is hybrid modeling? Hybrid modeling is a mixture of solid and surface modeling. Means under part body itself, you will be getting part body features as well as surfaces planes. What is PLM? PLM means product life cycle management. uh, like PLM databases will be there like Innovia Smart Team, Team Center. Our part or product life cycle will be controlled and saved in this product lifecycle database, and from there it will be managed from one node to another nodes. Next, what is the difference between product and component? Product is a collection of components, whereas component is collection of features. Like product, if you see, there will be some paper sort of icon in a product. Means this product can be saved somewhere, whereas a component, it cannot be saved anywhere unless it is part of any product. It cannot be saved. It, if you see the icon also, you will find a gear, but you won't find a page sort of icon. It resembles that it is not having any directory to save. What is a scene? Where do we use it? And give one example of it. Scene are the captures restoring state of components in an assembly and saved viewpoint. If you want some assembly instructions to be shown, in that case we will make use of this scene. We will explore the view and we will save that capture as a scene with that specific viewpoint. This scene will make use in drafting, making use of that scene as a reference. Then whenever you update this scene, we can have the interlink with that one and we can update our drawings as well. What is the function of overload properties? Overload properties will be useful in drafting workbench, where if you don't need any parts, any standard parts, any something, to have your view clearly visible and to provide some dimensions for clarity. If you need something, you can overload the properties. What does CGR stands for? CGR stands for Catia graphic representation. This is a neutral format which can be opened in all versions of Catia and different CAD softwares as well. What is MML model link? MML model links are functional in automatic update of change made onto the body. This can be achieved. Like same old links, if they are carried forward to new drawings or parts from the old references, then it will have a relation with the old one. So whenever we make any new things, the old things we need to remove and save. Otherwise, we'll have the some MML links issue. What is the difference between parasolid and non-solid? Parasolid will have the relation with one-on-one, and non-parametric solids we won't have the relation with one-on-one. There won't be having any one-on-one relation. What is the difference between assemble, add, remove? This is very good option, and this thing you need to know. Assemble, remember this one. In assemble, the nature of the bodies to be assembled are taken into account. Nature of the body, whether it is a positive body or a negative body, that information will be considered in assemble option feature. It means if negative body is assembled with a positive body, it subtracts. If we positive body assembled with positive body, it adds. But if we use add command, the same body, then they will get added irrespective of nature. Remove command also same as add, thus not respects the nature of the body. Nature of the body means whether it is negative or positive, it doesn't care. Where in remove or add command. What is the difference between save, save all and save management? Save means as usual like control as whatever things we have modified we can save with the old name. Save as means the old name means old file saving with a new name or new part number will be the save as. Save all. Save all means whatever windows has been opened, those all parts can be saved at a time. Save management is a very good option in this uh, Catia because here you can deal with different names and different directories simultaneously. Suppose if you have took some assemblies or parts from local and some assemblies or parts from server or database. So after having the modification, you can make use of this option, and local files will be saved in local, server files will be saved in server. What is the difference between affinity and scaling? Scaling is resizing the body to scale you specify in all the direction equally. Means XYZ directions it will increase equally. Affinity, resizing the body in specified and particular direction only. That is affinity. What is the difference between join and heal? Join, we can join the surfaces using surfaces. Heal command, we can fill the small gaps between the surfaces. What is the difference between symmetry command and mirror command? Most of the people will be confused with this command. Symmetry is a simple command like original sketch will be vanished or deleted and new one will be created. You won't find any copy of original one. Only the symmetry copied new one will be available about any reference plane. But mirror command we can retain the both about the reference plane. Thank you. I hope you have got some informative Catia interview questions. I will be um, adding some more whenever I get some new interview questions out of my experience. Thank you. Thank you very much.